Apple English Network presents Let's Go to the Rainforest. This is a rainforest. The weather here is hot all year. It is always wet. It rains every day. It feels hot and sticky. Let's go to the rainforest. First, you fly in an airplane. Then you ride in a truck. Then you go in a boat. Finally, you walk. Trees in the rainforest grow very tall. The tops of the trees can reach the clouds. The trees live a long time. They can live 1,000 years. Many birds and animals live in the rainforest. Sometimes you cannot see them because it's dark under the trees, but you can often hear them. What are these strange-looking animals? They are a family of lemurs. Lemurs come out at night and they use their big eyes to look for fruit. How many lemurs can you see? Tree frogs are very small. This tree frog lives in a flower. Tree frogs are bright and colorful. This frog has big eyes and a big mouth. The rainforest is home to millions of ants. They are always very busy. Although they are small, they are very strong when they work together as a group. Insects, insects, they are everywhere. There are more insects in the rainforest than any other animal. They come in all shapes, colors, and sizes. Each insect is different, but they all have 6 legs. This cat is a jaguar. It's the king of the rainforest. It hunts through the trees using its ears, eyes, and nose to find an animal to eat. It's strong and fast and very dangerous. It's nighttime in the rainforest. The moon is shining. What's that? It's a bat. Bats sleep in the day and fly around at night. The rainforest is very important to all of us. It cleans the air and is home to many animals and plants. If we protect the rainforest, we can help save the world. The end. Let's go to the rainforest.